3 100-hour timers track multiple events at once. Large screen with inverse backlight is easy to read at a glance. Full keypad for quick and intuitive timer setting. Upward angle and sturdy base for one-handed use. Features adjustable volume and stopwatch function. 3 AAA batteries included. Whether you're baking multiple batches of cookies or keeping track of sides at dinner, the OXO Good Grips Triple Task Kitchen Timer will help things run smoothly. With 3 100-hour timers and a stopwatch function, this timer is the perfect kitchen helper, and it has a large, easy-to-read screen with an inverse backlight. The full keypad is intuitive to use, and the angled design with sturdy base means you can set timers with one hand. The timer's volume is adjustable, and 3 unique beeps tell you exactly what timer has run out without having to check. Need to count up instead of down? The timer also features a convenient stopwatch function. 3 AAA batteries included. Top reviews from the United States. Timer with triple tracking is awesome. I am a motivational coach. This timer is so helpful to keep me and my clients on a timely track without making my client feel rushed or conscious of time. Before my session begins, I set all 3 timers. Timer number 1 is set so I'm not late for my client's session. Timer number 2 signals to my client and me with a pleasant cue that the session ends in 5 minutes. Timer number 3 signals the end of the session. I also use this timer as a stopwatch when working out or making recipes that have different cooking/baking times. This timer is awesome. I highly recommend.